All right, problem 89 from the book a lot of people email, and I want to highlight a couple things. First of all, in the problem they mention that it's 67% HNO3 solution, and they tell you what the density is. A typical problem like this will give you those two things, because basically what they want you to do is they want you to find what the molarity of the substance is. That's the whole point. So you start by using a grid. You're going to realize that, remember, density is a conversion factor. So really, you're going to say this is 1.40 grams in a milliliter. There's my conversion factor there. And when they give you percent of a solution, that's going to be a double-decker given when you start. So how I'm going to start it is I'm going to say 67 grams of HNO3 are in 100 grams of solution. Because if they give you the percentage, you can assume that you have 100 grams. It just makes life a little easier. So basically what we have to do is we have to go from this percentage, 67% over, or 67 grams over 100, to molarity. Remember the definition of molarity is moles over liters. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get to moles. Easy enough. If you take HNO3 and you figure out the molar mass, it comes out to be about 63 grams. Actually, it's 63.02 grams of HNO3 is equal to 1 mole of HNO3. So what I do right there? Well, I got rid of grams. I have moles of HNO3. Check. I got the first part done. Second thing I need to do is I need to get liters on the bottom. Well, remember they gave us density. If I have grams of solution here, according to the Fluffy Bunny, I have to have grams of solution up there. So if you look, I'm going to take this conversion factor right there, 1.40 grams over a milliliter, and plug it in so it cancels. 1.40 grams of solution right there is equal to 1 milliliter. So what I did right there is I got rid of grams of solution. But I have milliliters. Really what I need to do is I need to get liters on the bottom. Well, you should know from the metric system that 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, thereby canceling milliliters. And what do I have? I have liters on the bottom. So then, there's your finished grid for the problem. Multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and your answer in the end should equal 14.9 molarity of HNO3. And that's how you solve a percent problem to get to molarity. If they give you the percent by mass, very simple. Use two things. Well, a couple things that you're given. First of all, there's the percent right there. This is just molar mass, which you should be able to calculate. This is density as a conversion factor, and then this is just for the metric system, just to get to liters. You would do that the same with every problem. Problem 23 on the quiz star is the exact same type of problem. Use the exact same type of approach. It'll be fine. All right? That was the most emailed problem from Homework 3.6. As far as Homework Problem 93B, I looked at it, and basically I shouldn't have given it to you. It's nothing that we're really going to deal with calculation-wise. So basically, you just ignore it. Ignore it. Any other issues you have, feel free to email me from that homework. But that was basically that was the problem that was emailed the most. All right, have a good weekend. Enjoy your quiz star.